When friends and family gather for a party, it always turns into a chaotic mess everywhere. But no worries, Proscenic WashVac F20 wet and dry vacuum cleaner can handle it all. The WashVac F20 has the largest water tanks in the market. Thus, you can clean the whole house without needing to refill. The F20 can vacuum and wash at the same time in 15 kPa large suction. Both wet and dry messes can be easily cleaned. Its composite roller brush can do multi-surface cleaning without leaving scratches and damages. The brush head adopts double narrow edge design, making it possible to reach and clean the edges and corners. With the help of infrared sensor, F20 can precisely detect any mess. Want to know the real-time operating status? See the LED display screen. No matter how long you have to clean, you can handle the F20 effortlessly all the way thanks to its self-propelled design. After cleaning, simply click Self-Cleaning button to get the roller brush self-cleaned and odor-free. Then remove the detachable battery to charge separately. Enjoy an easy life with Proscenic WashVac F20.